sill, smoke in the sky. A child stood watching the rich pass by. Her coat was thin, her belly bare, but fire still danced in her green-eyed stare. Her mother, Dorys, with hands turned raw, scrubbed strangers' clothes by freezing law. In a hovel damp where the river bends, they lived on crumbs, not hopes of friends. Steel came early in Renny's hand, a stolen blade, a gang's demand. She ran with shadows, learned to strike, a girl of grime with a butcher's knife. But winter came with quiet dread, and near the sewers half-frozen bled. A stranger lay with darkened hair, a witcher young left dying there. She called her mother, heart like steel. Together they helped his wounds to heal, and Rudolf saw through pain and fear the spark that made her purpose clear. Not born to halls of gold or grace, but in the gutter she found her place. He took her hand, not out of need, but saw in her a manticore seed. With storm above, where witches train and few know love. And though she came from frost and dirt, her blade was swift, her soul unhurt. Remember her where legends bend, the daughter of the cold wind's end.